to all of you. How are you all? Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, bachche. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning,
Yes.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, which class is this?
This is your SST class.
Ma'am, we take out our excursions.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
All of you take out your SST copies and books. What we are going to do today, we are like in the last chapter we did the key points before studying and reading the chapter. So here also we are going to do key points so that half of the chapter becomes clear in our minds. Clear?
Ma'am, what?
Ma'am, please tell again. I was late.
Beta, I'm saying that we are going to do the key points of chapter 2. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have learned the chapter.
Oh my God. Why are you in a hurry? All right. So everybody take out your copies, write down today's date and write down key words. Oh, sorry, key points.
Ma'am, this period is SST.
Yes, beta, this is your SST class.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, please read. Ma'am, in chapter 2.
Yes?
Ma'am, the keywords are in the chapter 2.
No, not keywords, beta, key points. We are going to write down, we are going to write some key points.
So,
Ma'am, chapter 2 key points.
Yes, chapter 2 key points.
I have decorated. I have highlighted. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes, beta, say. What happened, Palvini? Ma'am. Nothing after ma'am, nothing before ma'am, huh? Okay, before we start, let me just take your attendance, students. Call out your names, hurry up. One by one, just randomly call them out.
Ma'am, just one hour.
yes, ma'am.
Wait.
present.
Jasrina,
Mokshit Mishra.
Mokshit, Kanak,
Kunal.
Akshadha, Arhan, Naman,
Malika.
Shobit,
Yes,
Ma'am,
Palvini,
Yes,
Yashmit,
Mamika present.
Vamika,
Present.
Jasrina, I have already written. Parmeet Singh, Shaurit Tyagi. Beta, listen. Everybody, I will listen to everyone's name and you will also listen to when I call your names back. Okay? So don't rush. Don't make it a fish market. Wait for others. If somebody else is speaking, be quiet. Otherwise, this way your name is going to get missed. Wait for others to
Ma'am.
speak. Yes. Palvini, I have written. Now when I speak out, when I call out your name, that means I have written your name. Okay? Once I call out your name, don't speak it again. Next.
Ma'am, Bhavya.
Present.
Raina Agarwal. Next.
Ma'am, Yashmit.
Yashmit, I have written. Arav Gupta.
Ma'am,
Next.
Ma'am, Samarth Singh.
Present.
Samarth
Ma'am,
Singh.
Ma'am,
Okay. Varshita and Rasya. Next.
Ma'am, Bhavya.
Bhavya. Next. What? Ojasvi. Next. Jathat Singh. Next. Ashutosh. Next.
Ashray Agarwal present, ma'am.
Ashray, I have already written. Next.
Ma'am, Parmeet Singh present.
Parmeet, I have written. Next.
Akshay Goyal present, ma'am.
Akhya Goyal. Very good. Next.
Ma'am, Jasrina Rawal present.
Jasrina, beta, you were your name was the first one to appear. So I have how many kids? 10.
Ashray Agarwal present, ma'am.
Ashray written. Kanav written.
Athar present.
Atharv I have not written. Okay, next. Atharv. After Atharv.
Ma'am, Athar Gupta present.
Which Gupta? Atharv Gupta, beta, I have written. I have not written Jaskaran. Jaskaran is not there in the class. Only his name is there. He is not calling out his name. I have not written Harveen Kaur. Harveen Kaur is not there.
Ma'am, Harveen Kaur present.
Harveen Kaur is present.
So, ma'am, Shobit Gupta also.
Shobit I have written. Now I have 26 names with me and I can see 29 participants. I don't know who is missing.
Ma'am, I have.
Naman I have written. Kunal Patel is missing. Sanvi Agarwal is missing. Kunal and Sanvi, you don't want to be marked present?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
My Daksh Pratap Singh is missing, ma'am.
Daksh Pratap is, yes. Daksh Pratap was also missing. Now one more child is missing. I don't know who that child is.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Shaurya.
Ma'am, he is Aran.
Okay.
Ma'am, Shaurya.
Now let's begin.
Ma'am, Ashray Agarwal present.
Ashray beta, I have already written Ashray. Okay, everybody's copy is out. All of you have written today's date and
Yes, ma'am.
what else? Key points. Everybody has written key points.
Yes,
ma'am.
Now the thing is, I'm sharing a screen with you. You have
First,
to.
we have to write date and then we have to write key points.
Yes, you have to. Okay, one more thing, children. Yesterday, when we did difficult words of this chapter, please make a correction in the spelling of calendar. In calendar, we always write D-A-R. I, by mistake, wrote D-E-R. Okay, if you have also written D-E-R, please make this correction. Rectify the mistake. Fine? What it should be? No, beta, it should be D-A-R. Please make it D-A-R. It was my mistake that I wrote D-E-R.
Ma'am, I have taken D-A-R.
Yes, everybody do this correction.
Difficult words.
Yes, these were the difficult words. Very nice. Done. Now ready for the screen share, all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can all of you
Yes,
see?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Start writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, there are only 5 points.
No, there are many points. Just write this much, then I'll come on to the next part.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, this is not clear.
This is not clear? Beta, it can't be clearer than this. Children, is it not clear?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is clear.
It is very much clear.
Ma'am, it is clear.
It is clear.
Who is not finding it clear, beta? I will send you a picture personally.
Ma'am, I asked you, please send it on the group.
Ashray. Okay, let me just see.
Ma'am, somewhere I study about time.
Someone?
Ma'am, somewhere I studied about timelines.
Very nice. Very good.
Ma'am, can we underline timeline in the first one?
Yes.
Ma'am, please.
You
send
will
it on the group.
underline it. Children, see the class group. I have shared the picture over there. Now, nobody will talk in between. All of you just keep doing your work. And the second sentence, the last word that is incomplete, that is just half captured in the picture, it is arrangement. Okay, in the second point, the last word in the first line is arrangement.
Ma'am, what is written after a timeline is a list of events in a
Chronological order.
Ma'am, please read the first line of the second point.
A timeline is a list of events.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, second point.
Chronological order is the arrangement of events one after the other in the sequence of their occurrence. Now, what is this chronological order, children? Chronological order is putting something in the sequence how it took place.
Ma'am, like timetable.
Not exactly like timetable. Like suppose say let's talk about your life. When you were born and till date, how many years old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
9 years old. So I will tell you about 4 activities. Now you have to put them in chronological order. The 4 activities are: I learned to walk, I learned to speak, I started going to school, and I started writing on my own. These are the 4 activities. Now put them in chronological order. First,
Ma'am, can I?
first of all, what did
I
you
know.
learn to do?
Ma'am, I know chronological order.
Yes. So can you put things in chronological order? Bhavya.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell? Explain?
Yes, Yashmit, tell the chronological order of these 4 things.
Ma'am,
I born in 2012.
Okay, very good.
I learned walking in 2014.
Okay, very good.
I got to school in I
I started going to school.
in 2015.
Very good.
I learned speaking full sentence in 2016.
Very good. So this is, you are doing it correct. You are putting your things in chronological order. The sequence
In 2017, my small younger sister become 1 year old.
Very good. Very nice, beta. So children, is it clear what chronological order is?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the word in second point?
Arrangement. The word is arrangement.
No, ma'am. In second line.
Chronological order or second.
No, ma'am. Chronological
Please
order
tell.
is
Ma'am, what is written after chronological order is the
Arrangement is the arrangement of events one after the other.
Please spell arrangement.
What?
Then please spell.
Beta, what do? I don't understand.
Ma'am, please spell arrangement.
Arrangement. Okay. ARRANGE. That's the spelling of arrange. ARRANGE and then MENT. Arrangement.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what is written after of events in second question of second line?
Of events one after the other. Of events one after the other.
Ma'am,
Yes.
after events.
After events one after the other in the sequence of their occurrence.
Ma'am, what is written after sequence of their
Occurrence.
Ma'am, we will not draw any diagram in
No,
this
not
chapter.
now. Not now. Later we'll draw.
Ma'am, what is written after the
Sequence.
Ma'am, what is the
what?
Sequence.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is written in chronological order is the arrangement of
Events.
event are
One after
the
the other. One after. Beta, it is not R. It is one after the other. Is my handwriting so bad? I'm thinking today that my handwriting is so bad.
Ma'am, some letters
Now I will
we
try to
can't-
improve it. Yes, I will try to improve it for you all.
Ma'am, some letters are like I can't understand.
Yes, I can so understand when you're asking again and again that I have not written it nicely.
No, ma'am, and ma'am, what is the last word in the second?
Occurrence.
Second.
Okay, be quiet. OCCURENCE. Occurrence.
Ma'am, what's the word after this? After the
After which there are so many the's.
ma'am, in second one after the
After the one after the other. OTHER.
Ma'am, what is the second line last word?
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the second sentence last word?
Second point, last word.
Yes, ma'am.
Occurrence. Occurrence.
OCCURENCE. Ma'am, can we underline occurrence and chronological order both. In the second one, excuse me, ma'am, what is written after the?
Other. Beta, it is written other. Other.
Ma'am, in the second one, can we underline occurrence?
Beta, underlining and highlighting we will do later. Don't ask these questions in between. First, just concentrate on writing.
Sir, excuse me. What is the second point? First line, last word.
Arrangement. Arrangement. Chronological order is the arrangement.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in the second one and in the second line after of, what is that?
Events. Arrangement. Now listen to it, children, please. Arrangement of events one after the other.
Ma'am, what you have written Gregorian calendar and below that?
Below
Ma'am,
the,
I was asking in the starting of the sentence after of.
in the first sentence or the second sentence?
The second sentence.
Chronological order is the arrangement of events one after the other in the sequence of their occurrence. Now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Arhan, which sentence are you asking?
Ma'am, you have written Gregorian calendar and below that which calendar you have
Saka.
written?
Saka. Beta, Saka. Saka calendar.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in first one, what you have written after list of?
Events. List of events.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very nice. Now sit quietly till everybody does it.
Ma'am, in second one, what is written up? Ma'am, what is written after the?
Other. Other is written
Mhm.
after the.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what is written after the of second key point?
Other. Beta, it's written other. O-T-H-E-R. Other.
Ma'am, can you read fourth point?
The Gregorian calendar is the most commonly used calendar worldwide.
Ma'am, how many key points are there?
Yes.
Ma'am, how many key points are
Beta,
there?
one by one, na, when one person is speaking, the other one be quiet. What?
Ma'am, how many key points are there?
Beta, what do you want to do by knowing the number of key points?
What is the last word of second point?
Occurrence. OCCURENCE. Occurrence.
Ma'am, I have done the 5 points.
Now beta sit quietly because students are still on the third point. I'm not moving the screen right now.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done.
Good.
Ma'am, I have done.
Wonderful.
Ma'am, I have done all 5 points. Ma'am, what is the second word written in the fourth
Ma'am,
I have done only 5 points.
Very nice.
Four
All of you
point.
speak together. All of you speak together so that I can understand everyone. Very nice.
Ma'am, what is the second word written in the fourth point?
Gregorian. The Gregorian calendar.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
and what you write third, second point?
There are two types of calendar. Gregorian calendar and Saka calendar. SAKA. I have moved it down. Those who want to write, please write.
Ma'am, what you write 4 point most after most?
Most commonly used calendar.
Okay, ma'am.
Commonly.
Ma'am, what you write after calendar in fourth point? Ma'am,
Yes.
and what you write after calendar in fourth point?
Beta, worldwide. Don't please write on the screen. Nobody will scribble over there.
Ma'am, what you have write after is the in fourth point?
Is the most commonly.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have done all 2 pages which you have sent in the WhatsApp group.
Wonderful, beta. Very nice.
Ma'am, my work is done.
Beta, if you have done, then please be quiet. Don't speak in between that, ma'am, I have done. Sit quietly if you have done.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have sent my work in the WhatsApp group.
Did I ask for it? Did I tell you to send it?
Ma'am, what is written in the line Gregorian calendar?
Which one, beta?
Ma'am, in the stars. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done.
Wonderful.
Ma'am, I have done.
Wonderful. All of you have done?
Yes,
Ma'am, I
ma'am.
have done Sarvita Singh.
No, ma'am, I am
Eh,
not.
Okay. You're still doing this page?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. Next
Yes,
page.
ma'am.
No,
Then I
ma'am.
have page.
Ma'am, please send on the WhatsApp group.
So the next
Beta, I have
page.
already sent it there.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, done the screen.
Children, done this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Now I'm removing the screen. Palvini, beta, stop writing on the screen.
Ma'am, I have done all till here.
Ma'am, what is written after based?
It is based on the
Okay, ma'am.
time taken by the earth to complete one revolution around the sun.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very nice, beta. Now you can, those who have done can leave the meeting because the class is going to get over in 2 minutes.
Ma'am, I have done all. Ma'am, this is second page.
This is the second page. Yes.
Ma'am, I have done all.
Very
Yeah.
nice. Very good.
Ma'am, this was the fourth period. Ma'am, this was the fifth period.
No, now the fifth. Yes, this was the fifth period, right?
Ma'am, we can leave the meeting.
Yes, beta, you can leave the meeting and you can get ready for your next class.
Ma'am, what is written after it is based on the.
It is
Bye,
based
ma'am.
on the time taken by the earth.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, बच्चे. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am. Please, class. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. Now all of you please leave the meeting because it's time for your next class.
Bye, ma'am.